And you've been having Nicki Minaj pop up a lot of these performances that you've been doing all over the country too, right?
Yeah, it's been natural. You know, we together we got one of the hottest records out.
Hey, love is love on top of love, right?
Exactly.
More or less. Hey, and you playing off when we was off the air. I kind of asked you if your neck hurt a little bit.
Yeah, it's a little bit.
A little bit, right?
That's a lot of weight right here.
Hey, but that's a lot of work right there too.
Yeah.
None of it came overnight, right? Talk to me about that.
Nah, man, I've been in this game for a long time. You know what I'm saying? Just for me, it's Yo Gotti. Like, and people, I don't know if they notice it or they don't notice it, but you know, I'm triple working. Like, I'm Yo Gotti, and then I'm behind making sure you know what the money bag yo is. And Black Youngster.